Hello everyone, you are watching a complete course of machine learning. In last video we have discussed about types of machine learning. So today's video is very important for those who are doing research in machine learning area or who are working on project using machine learning technique. In this video we will discuss about data preprocessing technique and some data sources from where we download data and use in our research. So this video may be helpful in your research. So let's start. Why is data preprocessing important? In the real world, data generally available on the web may be in the form of text file, audio file, video file, image file, etc. This data is unstructured or semi-structured format and contain noises, missing values, and irrelevant information. Such noisy data is meaningless data that cannot be directly used by machine. Data preprocessing is a required task for cleaning the data and making it suitable for machine. Data preprocessing. Data preprocessing is a data mining technique that make unstructured data information to structured data information. The data preprocessing includes following steps: data collection, Data preprocessing also contains sub-steps like tokenization, stop word removal, stemming, and text transformation, and feature selection method. So these data preprocessing steps are common and used in data science, data mining, data analytics, and machine learning. So these are the common steps. First is data collection. So data collection is the process of gathering data from different sources. So we can download data from various websites as per our requirement. So use first is the UCI machine learning repository. So we can download data from UCI machine learning repository. So the UCI machine learning repository provide huge amount of data. So we can download any kind of data from UCI machine learning repository, and we can use in this data in our research or in our project, in research project. So the next is the Kaggle. So Kaggle also provide the lots of data. So we can download data from Kaggle website. Next is Google Cloud public data sets. Next is Amazon Web Service Open Data Repository. So we can download data from different uh, purpose, like different related to different product data or marketing data or etc. And next is the data.gov. So this data provide different data. So it we can also download from data.gov. Next is Global Health Observatory. So we can also download data from Global Health Observatory. And the last is the Earth data. So we can download data from different environmental data, different climate or weather data from where. So these are the different data sources, and we can download data according to our requirement. Next is tokenization. The information or text is split or converts in order to tokens so that each word is known as tokens. This token has self-determining existing in each sentence of a document. For example, a sentence as "this mobile is very attractive and powerful." So this sentence convert into tokens such as "this mobile is very attractive and powerful." So the complete sentence is split in the different words. So these separate words is called tokens. Stop word removal. The stop word removal is also an important step to make relevant information about text documents. The text contain many words that are meaningless or irrelevant. For example, such words the, a, and, of, my. So these are the stop word removal, or so we remove these words because these words not have any meaning. So these words do not carry any useful information. So we remove these words from our data. Stemming. Stemming is a process to find out the root of word. It derives the actual word from their stem. So that The root of this word find with the help of algorithms such as Porter's stemmer algorithm is used to transform the words. So this is the name of algorithm, Porter's stemmer algorithm. For example, the word flying, flew, flown. So these are the different words, but the actual word is the fly. And the word played, plays, playing. So the root word is the play. So these are the root words. Text transformation. This process reduces the dual meaning of each word. Every word and character must converted in the form of uppercase or lowercase. So the word is stored in every text document by their occurrences. So there are two most important approaches and presently available, which is vector space and bag of words. So vector space convert each word in the vector values, and the bag of words contain the whole words or the whole document's word in a each bag or the folder. Feature selection. The feature selection process is selecting relevant features, attributes, and variable subsets. The feature selection method select features from the text data, such as a wrapper method, filter method, embedded method, hybrid method, etc. The text data set may contain thousands of features is known as high dimensional data. So that select useful or relevant features from the high dimensional data. So this is the structure of the data preprocessing step. So first of all, we download raw data or from different sources. So this data contain noisy data or some irrelevant information. So that we call the raw data. So this raw data must be preprocessed. So we follow some pre-processing steps and make data for useful. And after the pre-processing data step, we apply some feature selection method. So we select relevant features because this data contain a lot of huge amount of features. So we select important features according to our requirement. So after the feature selection method, so the data is ready to use. So this data may split in the training data or testing data. So this data can use to train the machine learning model or the apply in the machine learning algorithm. So uh, these common steps and apply in different areas like data science, data mining, and data warehousing, or data analytics or machine learning. So these are the common steps in the data preprocessing. So if you have any doubt related to this video, so you can write in the comment box. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest video notification. Thank you for watching.